Hello, very good morning to all of you dears. So my dears, from the today we are going to start revision on various lessons. Okay. So I had sent you syllabus already. I hope you had got and understand well about syllabus. So let's start chapter number 1 from prose, the fun they had. Okay. We'll talk about two two guys. Okay. Tommy and Maggie. Okay, we'll talk about Tommy and Maggie. The lesson is composed by Isaac Asimov. Okay, so we'll see how will be how will be the day of future. Okay, how will be the education and schooling of future. Okay, if right now we see in our school or in our surroundings, so we had seen that nowadays also a student learning uh, in smart classes, online classes, or using mechanical way of learning. Okay, so we'll see what will happen in 2157. Okay, what will happen after 150 years ago, 130 years later, what will happen in education. Okay, so the story tells about the future days of schooling. Okay, what will happen in schooling in future days or after 100 years. Okay, what would happen, we'll see in the story. So there is a story of two guys, Tommy and Maggie. Okay, and Maggie was 11 years old and Tommy was 13 years old boy. Okay, and so what happened one day? So this Maggie, if we talk about diary entry by Maggie. Okay, so in this lesson, if I talk about characteristics, so we'll talk about a future school. Okay, future school days, technological updation we can see. Okay, everywhere in our country. Okay, after starting this after spreading this pandemic situation, coronavirus, now everyone used to watching video and online classes. Okay, so nowadays it is happening like this. So what will happen after 100 years? Okay, so maybe after 100 years, definitely human teacher replaced by mechanical teacher or robotic teachers. Okay, the story is based on future days of schooling. Okay, so let's start the story. Diary entry by Maggie. Okay, if we check about the first point, we will deal the story on the basis of some points. Okay, so diary entry by Maggie. So Maggie was a 11 years old girl. Okay, and she was fond of writing diary. So one day she wrote a diary and she mentioned that today Tommy had got a real book. Okay, Tommy had got a printed book or real book which was belonged to his grandparents. Okay, so and it was the day 21st May 2157. Okay, now today in present 2020. Okay, 2020 is going on. Okay, and December is running, so next month will have 2021. Okay, so after I think 137 years later. Okay, what will be in future schooling. Okay, so Maggie mentioned the date 21st May 2157. Okay, in his diary, and today Tommy found a printed book. Okay, Tommy had found a printed book. Okay, so she mentioned everything in the book. So she wrote a diary and she mentioned that the book which Tommy had found, the book was yellowish. Okay, the book was very old, so it was not in good condition. Okay, many pages are going to tear. Okay, and the book was looking yellowish and this cranky also, because as it was old book, so it was not in good condition. Okay, we can understand that. So then what happened? So then she mentioned in her diary about that book. And if we talk about the specialty of the book, so in their education, in Tommy or Maggie, they were learning, they were studying at their house, and the school was at their house. Okay, next to their room. So they had taught by a mechanical teacher. Okay, at their house. So mechanical teacher, robotic teacher show the screen, and on the screen they had to learn, and they had to give tests in a slot they submitted their test paper in slot. Okay, and Saturday or Sunday they had holiday. Otherwise, they had to continue. Okay, with robotic or mechanical teacher. The teacher remind them about their homework every day. Okay, so then what happened? She saw a specialty of book that the book the book's wordings. Okay, book wordings are not moving like their screen. Okay, on their screen the words are moving because it is a screen of robotic teacher or mechanical teacher or computer. Okay, so the book's letters were not changing or were not moving. It was different and peculiar for them. Next, so what was the feeling about the book? So Tommy, the Magi was not feeling good about the book. Okay, and she just thought that to throw the book. Okay, in dustbin or garbage. Okay, and at their time period, means after 137 years later, I think they don't want this kind of book. Okay, because they were learning, they were studying by mechanical teacher or robotic teachers. So she just tell to Tommy to throw this book. The book is not usable for them. Okay, and so what happened? And if we talk about Magi, so Magi was giving test. Okay, Magi's teacher, uh, Magi's study room was next to her bedroom. Okay, and she had to class there. She had classes in that room. Okay, and she sat before mechanical or robotic teacher. The teacher just every day now. Okay, teacher was just giving test paper to Magi. Okay, and she was not preparing well, and she was doing bad. Okay, she was not performing well in the test. Okay, and she had test all the time. Okay, geographical test. The robotic teacher was giving her test paper, and she was uh, doing bad to boss. Okay, in that test paper. So she wanted to replace the mechanical teacher because it was instantly shifting its gear. Okay, what was the problem? The problem was that uh, her robotic teacher and mechanical teachers gear shifting very instantly. That's why she was just submitting in the slot test paper, and again she had got a new test paper. Okay, so she was doing bad to boss. She was doing very bad. Okay, in a test. Okay, but she had given test after test. Okay, but she was not doing well in the test. So then she complained to her mother. Okay, her mother was very disciplined lady about their work, about their studying hours, and about their education, because she was very caring lady. Then they had complained to county inspector. County inspector means a technician. Okay, the and technician who can just repair, who can repair to robotic teachers. So they had called county inspector. So county inspector was a technician, and the person who can repair the machine. Okay, so he was the small red faced person. Okay, so a small fat red faced person, county inspector, came to their house, and Magi don't want to be continue with this mechanical teacher. She wanted to replace, but then the technician, county inspector, just told to Magi that I will just manage. Okay, and I will just change her gears. Okay, then he had corrected. Okay, gear of mechanical teacher. And what was the problem? The problem was that her mechanical teacher was shifting its gear instantly. Okay, so that's why she had problem with teacher. Okay, so then county inspector just take half an hour or 1 hour, something like that. Okay, and repaired well mechanical teacher. Okay, so then what happened? So then she saw Tommy was reading this printed book. Okay, so there was difference between printed book or telebook. Okay, so printed book words cannot move. Okay, and in printed book we can see the words. Okay, again and again. Okay, but it was not going on in telebook. Telebook means related to telecommunication or technology, or the book which appear on a screen. Okay, so it was totally different. So then they had a conversation and talk about old school days, because the book belonged to traditional book. The book was traditional book. Okay, the book like that we have, and we are learning by that book. Okay, so then they had a conversation. Then they appreciate old school days, and she wanted to be a part of past school days. She want to be a part of past school days. Okay, the old kind of school. Then they had discussion about the old kind of school. So the discussion was, they appreciate old school or traditional school way of teaching. Okay, so according to them, what was going on in the past days, means in our time. So then they appreciate that all the students had to share a single classroom. Okay, and uh, students were going to school. Okay, and they had a human teacher, and the human teacher was totally unpredictable. Okay, sometimes he behaved very nicely, sometimes he was rude. Okay, and sometimes he just care for a student, so sometimes he turned to angry, so like that. So the human teacher had sentiments, emotions. Okay, everything. So they were missing human teacher. They wanted to learn by human teacher instead of mechanical teacher. Okay, so they admire, they appreciate, they praises the past education. Okay, system of past education. So then what happened? So they talked that how was the day, how fun they had. They had to share equal roof. Okay, they were sitting in a building. Okay, uh, behind a roof. Okay, so they were sharing a single school, they were sharing a school, they had to go to school. Okay, but we are studying in a room, so they had to go to school every day, and they share lunch. Okay, they share their lunch, and they talk too much. They had, sometimes they had quarrel, and sometimes they had play in games and sports, everything they had. And how they were happy before vacation, when they came to know about the vacation, so how they turned to happy. Okay, and then they had a vacation for 3 month, 3 to 4 month. Okay, and they had printed or a real book. Okay, at that time, and they had human teacher to share everything. Okay, and in a classroom, in a single classroom, they had share everything. Okay, and in a classroom, they had share a single roof, a single room. Okay, and they talked to each other, and they had fun a lot. Okay, in past days. So she wanted to be a part of past schooling. They both admire the way of past education. Okay, and they were missing past education. They wanted to be part of past education. Okay, then they talk that how human teacher taught to a student. Okay, and the student of different castes, color, creed, region, religion. Okay, culture, shared their belief, share their thought and thinking, and share everything. Okay, without any discrimination, uh, without any discrimination, without any inequality. How they share everything. So the day was very nice. The past education was superb. Okay, uh, in their view. Okay, in their mind. So then they had talked about the past education. Okay, then they came to know about the past education, and we have seen about we had seen about Magi classroom. How was the Magi classroom? Magi classroom was next to her bedroom. Okay, and she had to join the class. Okay, in that room, and she had mechanical teacher. Okay, for studying, for teaching. So Magi being nostalgic. Okay, so she was attending her lecture, and she had leave on Saturday or Sunday. So she was missing the past days, and she wanted to be part of past education. They they both had missed past education a lot. Okay, and from there they came to know everything. So they came to know by that book which Tommy found. Okay, on 21st May. Okay, 2157 means 137 years by now, from now. Okay, so it was about the fun they had. So they missed the fun they had, means we had. Okay, so it was the story. We'll see next concept in next video. Thank you.